one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Ex-party stalwart SDUNS mourners, I regret joining Zanu PF. By a correspondent, the 25th of August 2025, what began as a solemn farewell for Zanu PF ward for Councillor Philip Gararai Tagwiri in Gudu on Tuesday turned into a dramatic moment of reckoning when a former party loyalist publicly denounced the ruling party. Herbert Horuno Zenjaya, a retired educationist and former head of Helen Magai Primary School, left mourners in disbelief when he rose to speak. Instead of a eulogy, he delivered a blunt confession that shook the gathering. For more than 40 years, I stood by Zanu PF. Today, I stand before you to say I was wrong, Zenjaya declared. His voice steady as provincial and district leaders of the party listened in stunned silence. The veteran educationist accused the ruling party of betraying the very ideals that inspired the liberation struggle. We promised Zimbabweans tractors, free education, decent homes, jobs for all, and a democratic society. Instead, the opposite happened. Life became even harder. Those promises were lies, he charged. Drawing gasps from the mourners, Zenjaya explained that his decision to publicly sever ties with the ruling party was guided by conscience, faith, and his responsibility as an educator. I am both a Christian and a teacher. As a believer, I want to face my Creator with a clear conscience, and staying in Zanu PF would have denied me that. As a teacher, I had a duty to instill honesty and responsibility in young people. But this could not be done under a system built on falsehoods, he said. The former stalwart went further, issuing a personal apology to Zimbabweans. I deeply regret misleading people for years. To the people of Zimbabwe, I say I am sorry. He added, his words echoing across the silent crowd. The unexpected rebuke left senior Zanu PF officials visibly uncomfortable. Some avoided eye contact, while others kept their heads bowed as the burial proceedings continued. Ordinary mourners later whispered that the truth had finally been spoken in a place where many least expected it. Zenjaya's explosive remarks have since spread beyond Gudu, sparking intense debate over the ruling party's legacy, with some hailing his courage, while others warned that his words could invite political backlash.